Daniel and his wife, Elizabeth, lived in a small town with their 3 children. Alex, a chubby boy in grade 5. Max, and Lily. Daniel and Elizabeth loved their kids, but they worried about Alex's weight. He loved food more than anything, and often ignored advice to eat less or exercise. At school, classmates sometimes whispered and laughed about Alex. Even at home, his family would tease him gently, hoping he would listen. One evening, at the dinner table, the scene was familiar. Alex loaded his plate with rice, chicken, and a second helping of dessert.
Alex,
Elizabeth said, shaking her head.
do you really need all that? You should take smaller meals.
Alex shrugged.
I'm hungry, Mom.
Max chuckled.
You eat more than Dad.
Daniel laughed.
At this rate, son, you'll need a separate chair at the table soon.
Lily giggled.
Yeah, Alex. Leave some food for us.
Alex frowned, but smiled a little.
I like food, okay? That's all.
Even in school, teasing followed him. One day, during lunch, a classmate joked.
Alex, slow down. That's a lot of food.
Alex tried to ignore them. Ryan, his best friend, said,
Don't mind them. But maybe you should think about it.
One day, Miss Sarah announced a running competition. Alex gave his name for the competition. Immediately, a classmate said,
You. Running? Ha!
Alex's eyes filled with tears. Miss Sarah scolded them.
Stop it, now.
The class went silent, and she walked out as the period ended. Ryan patted his shoulder.
Don't take it to heart.
Alex wiped his eyes and nodded. That night, he thought hard. Finally, he decided. At breakfast, he said,
I'm starting a diet from today.
Max gave him a thumbs up.
Good job, Alex.
Lily smiled.
You can do it.
Daniel smiled.
At least you thought about it.
Elizabeth looked worried.
But Alex, you'll feel weak.
Alex snapped.
Mom, you always taunt me when I eat. And now you're telling me not to?
Elizabeth sighed.
I'm not stopping you. Just eat something low-calorie. I'll help you make a diet plan.
Alex pushed away the pancakes and chocolate spread, his favorite breakfast items. Instead, he poured a glass of milk. He took a slice of bread and ate it slowly. At school, Alex felt weak in class. Ryan said,
Are you okay? I'm dieting.
Alex said. Ryan nodded, smiling.
Best of luck.
During break, Alex opened his lunch box. Instead of chips or chocolate, he had an apple and a banana. He took a bite of the apple, chewing slowly. Ryan smiled.
That's a good start.
Alex grinned slightly.
Yeah, not too bad.
That evening, at dinner, the scene was different. Max and Lily had regular meals. But Alex got salad, brown bread, and a small portion of chicken. Elizabeth handed him a paper.
Here's your diet plan.
Alex felt dizzy at the sight. Max and Lily tried to hide their smiles. He stared at them and went to his room.
I can't quit now. I will do this.
From that day, Alex followed the plan. He exercised and ran every morning. Ryan cheered him on, and his siblings noticed small changes, smiling secretly. After several weeks of effort, one morning Alex looked in the mirror. He was slimmer and healthier. He smiled.
I did it.
At school, when classmates whispered, he just smiled. Day by day, they noticed he was slimmer. One day, his classmate Jack said.
You're like a hero.
Alex smiled. A few days later, during a football game, Alex ran past everyone and scored the first goal. That night at home, Elizabeth said warmly,
I'm proud of you, Alex.
Alex grinned.
Thanks, Mom. And Dad. And everyone.
Daniel ruffled his hair.
Well done, son.
Max smiled.
Great job, Alex.
Lily hugged him.
Thanks, everyone. I couldn't have done it without you.
Alex laughed. Alex smiled, happy with how far he had come. Moral: you can achieve anything if you try.